Buying bus tickets or passes. Store clerk, hi, how's it going? Customer, fine, thanks. How about you? Store clerk, I can't complain. How can I help you? Customer, I would like to buy a monthly senior bus pass, please. How much will that cost? Store clerk, monthly senior bus passes are $30. Customer, okay. I would also like to buy a book of bus tickets for my granddaughter. How much will that cost? Store clerk, how old is your granddaughter? Customer, she's 14. Store clerk, okay, she's a youth. The book of bus tickets will be $10. Customer, thanks. My daughter also asked me to buy an adult monthly pass for her. How much is that? Store clerk, adult monthly bus passes are $100. Is that everything? Customer, yes. Store clerk, your total is $140 plus GST. Would you like to pay with cash or credit card? Customer, here is my credit card. Store clerk, thanks. Here are your tickets and your monthly bus passes. Have a good day. Customer, you too. Thanks.